Guys, we're making camp pizza tonight. Tonight, we wanted camp pizza. One of our biggest things about eating out on the trail, and now full-timing, was that we did not want to eat beanies and weenies, hamburgers and hot dogs every single night. So I decided to get creative and come up with a way for us to eat basically whatever we wanted to and whatever you could make in a traditional home, minus the oven. But I've got a little trick up my sleeve to make this camp pizza. First, you'll need Pillsbury thin crust pizza crust, shredded mozzarella cheese, tomato sauce or pizza sauce, Italian seasoning, salt, and now your choice of toppings. Our choices are sauteed peppers and onions with garlic, sliced mushrooms, and sauteed salami. Now to prep the toppings, you'll need to slice up half of a white onion, 1 bell pepper, or 6 mini multicolored peppers, 6 to 8 pieces of salami, and a small can of sliced mushrooms. For the onion and peppers, drizzle in some olive oil and slowly saute them. Don't burn them, you want to caramelize them, so go slow. Now, add a teaspoon of chopped garlic and a sprinkling of salt and Italian seasoning. The reason we pre-cook the toppings is because since we aren't using a traditional oven, we need the toppings warm and ready. Saute the salami till crisp and crunchy. For the mushrooms, first drain the can, then saute them to dry them out and give them just a little bit of color. For the pizza crust, warm your griddle or skillet and be sure that it is seasoned with oil spray like Pam or a little drizzle of olive oil. Open your pizza crust, unroll, and lay out flat. Then slice your dough into as many pizzas as you choose or to what will fit your skillet or griddle. Place cut up dough on griddle or skillet and cook for 3 to 5 minutes on each side till crusty and golden brown. Now, let's build our pizza. For Caroline, our plain Jane, she will just have a cheese pizza. Sauce up one side and sprinkle with mozzarella cheese. Here is one way to cook or melt the topping of your pizza. Place prepped pizza on a skillet or one side of griddle and cover with a bowl. When melty and warm, remove the bowl, slice it up, and serve it up. A side note to this is that you can make calzones if you don't have a bowl. Take your dough and fill half with your sauce and toppings, fold over and pinch the sides, and cook slowly on both sides until crisp and done. For the grown-ups pizza, prep the cooked crust with sauce, a little cheese, sprinkle the pepper and onion mixture, then add the mushrooms and salami, and top with mozzarella cheese and a sprinkle of Italian seasoning. Here is the other option for baking your pizza. Place prepped pizza on one eye that is off. Place the griddle over the pizza and the other remaining eye, and turn on the eye that does not have the pizza. This will create a convection-like oven, allowing your toppings to warm and cheese to melt. When the pizza is done and cheese is melty, turn off the eye, remove the griddle, and pull pizza carefully onto a plate or cutting board. Slice your pizza and enjoy with your people.
That is good. Holy cow, it's good.
Alright, so we just got done filming this thing, and she's like, I'm eating this pizza now. This is the most amazing thing I've ever had, so let's see what this tastes like. Oh yeah. Don't ever order another pizza. Get on trail, make it yourself. That's good.
And that's camp pizza. Make sure and make it just the way you want it, and enjoy. Hey guys, thanks for watching my very first video. If you liked it, be sure to hit that like button, be sure to subscribe, and share with your friends. If you have a recipe that you want us to try on the trail, put it in the comments and we'll give it a go. And thanks so much for watching.